There's just something magical about adding potatoes to butternut squash soup. Start by peeling the butternut squash, then cutting it right down in half lengthwise, and removing the seeds. Cut the squash in 1-inch cubes, and then do the same with the potatoes. To a 4-quart Dutch oven, add in olive oil and cook your onions until they're translucent. Add in the cubed potatoes with the celery and carrot, cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and then add in the squash. Pour the broth over the vegetables and then stir the vegetables in the broth. Bring the broth to a simmer, place the lid on the Dutch oven, and cook until the squash and potato pieces are nice and tender. Use an immersion blender to blend the soup until very smooth, making sure to taste the soup to adjust the seasoning. I love serving this butternut squash soup with some crispy potato chips and some fresh green onions. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.